Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your PS4 as primary so you can share PlayStation Plus and your games to other accounts on your PlayStation. So let's go up to settings right here and select this. And then go down to where it says account management. Then go down to activate as your primary PS4. Then go to activate on the top. And it says I'm currently using another PS4 that's activated as primary. So what I could do is go on down to the bottom right. So I don't know if you're game sharing or you got like another PlayStation in the house where a family member is using it. You can only have one PS4 activated as primary at a time. So just a heads up, but we do have the option still to change to this PS4. Otherwise you'll have to go to the other PS4 and deactivate it and then come back to this one and go to where it says activate on the top, and it should work then. So we have the two options, change to this PS4 or do not. Otherwise, you do have the option to go online to the PlayStation website and you can deactivate all of your consoles on just the website. So if you don't have access to the console anymore, you can just do that online. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.